Hi, I'm Dr. Bill Berkowitz with Life Chiropractic. Let's talk about 4 ways that chiropractic can help with high blood pressure. That might not be something that you associate with high blood pressure, chiropractic, but let's talk about that. First, this is a huge problem. Heart disease, of which high blood pressure is part of, is the leading cause of death in this country. 50% of adults, give or take a few percentage points, suffer from high blood pressure. And I'm sure it's higher than that because there's probably people with high blood pressure that have no idea that they have it. In 2021, 691,000 deaths were attributed in part or solely to high blood pressure. So this is a serious issue. They've run a study with chiropractic in Chicago, in the University of Chicago, and they found that just adjusting the top bone in the neck lowered blood pressure equal to taking 2 different medications at the same time. So let's talk about the 4 ways that chiropractic can help high blood pressure. Number 1, we want to balance and restore motion to the upper neck at the base of the occiput and the first 2 bones of the neck. This is where the brainstem is. The brainstem is home to the autonomic nervous system, and there are nerves that control heart rate and blood pressure in there. So we want to take irritation off of that. Number 2, we want to restore motion and the normal curve to the neck. When the neck loses its normal curve, it puts tension on the entire nervous system, especially that brainstem that I mentioned just a minute ago in the upper cervical spine. 3, we want to address misalignments and mobility in the mid and lower back. The mid and lower back is more associated with the sympathetic nervous system. That's the fight or flight system. And if you irritate that, that is a big contributor to high blood pressure. And number 4, we want to give you some practices to activate or essentially exercise your vagus nerve. What's your vagus nerve? It's the foundation for health and well-being. If your vagus nerve is functioning well, your heart rate is lower, your blood pressure is lower, your digestion is better, your sleep is better, your immune system functions better, your rest and recovery is better, your inflammation is lower. Need I go on? So those are the 4 critical things. If you have high blood pressure and you're interested in seeing a chiropractor, you want to find someone who specializes in correction and balancing, because the typical chiropractor that might just adjust you where it hurts is not going to necessarily give you great changes in your blood pressure. Make sure to subscribe to my social media channels. Visit my website, lifewithinchiropractic.com. Thank you.